Hey everyone, welcome back to Full Course. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube editor and edit your video. So I'm going to open my channel. Then you need to go in YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, go to Content. And then click on this details. In details, you can see the editor. Click on editor. So you can see this 5 option here: the trim and cut, blur, audio, indie screen, and info and cards. So we already know how to add indie screen and cards. Here you can also add your indie screen in your video. You can add your video. So I add one video. You can also add element from your video. Channel subscribe. Now I'm going to click on save. My video is private, that's why you cannot see my video thumbnail in here. If your video is not private, then you can see your video thumbnail in here. I'm going to click on save. After that, you can also add your card. So I'm going to add my video. If you add this custom message, your video title will be changed. So I'm going to click on save. Then you can also add your audio. From audio library, you can add music in your video. So I'm going to play some music. I'm going to add this music in my video. So you can see it's cover my entire video. You can also adjust mix level from here. It means you reduce your background music. So I'm going to reduce. And then you can also remove this, or you can know your license info. So it's actually free to use in your YouTube video. So don't worry about that. After that, I'm going to click on save. It might take a few hours for your change to apply. So if you have a lot of time in your hand, then you can add music by YouTube editor. So I'm going to click on save again. So you can see our audio is added to our video. After that, if you want to blur some part of a video, you can add blur. There are two types of blur, you can see: face blur or custom blur. If you want to blur your face in your subject, then you can choose this one, or you can choose this one, custom blur. So I'm going to choose custom blur. And I'm going to drag my video. Then I'm going to select this and resize this. So I'm going to blur this. You can also trim this. You can also adjust this in your video. And if I play this video, you can see video from Telegram. If you don't know how, so my blur is added in my video. So I'm going to click on save. It may take some time, like audio takes some time. So I'm going to click on save. Now see, it's processing. Now we need to wait for some time. So now I'm going to trim and cut. But if you want to trim and cut your video, then you need to delete your music. So I'm going to delete this. And now I'm going to click on save. Now our trim and cut option is enabled. And click on add trim. Here you can also drag and drop. Here you can drag to cut your video, or you can also add new cut in your video. So I'm going to add new cut. And if I click on this, now this area is now selected. Then I'm going to click on delete. And you can also add new cut in your video. You can drag this to select your video and cut your video. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to delete this. Now click on delete cut. So in this way you can easily cut your video. So now my video cut is complete. So I'm going to click on save. It's also take some time save your video. So guys, in this way you can easily edit your video with YouTube video editor. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel and like this video. See you guys in next video.